Okay, Pixel doing late night tricks for treats. Pixel. Sneer. 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 That's a good girl. You've already got a... You got us. She has a piece of rice, crispy on her little chin there. On her lip. Sneer. Sneer. That's where I get all the pictures from. Sneer. That's a good girl. Let me save your... Well, we'll just leave that little piece on your lip. Okay. What do you want to do now? Do you want to whisper? Whisper again. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Okay. Okay. Pixel. Sneeze. That's a good girl. That's a very good girl. Okay. Now. Alright, Pixel. Ready? There, let's get right here. That's a pillow. That's a pillow. Moving the pillow out of the way. Okay, you ready? Ask. That's a good girl. See? That's her left hand. That's her ask. That's perfect. Ask. Okay, very good girl. Now, paw is her right paw. Paw. That's a good girl. You are so perfect. I love you. You are so wonderful. Okay, which one you want to do now? Ask. That's a good girl. Okay, one more. Which one? Wait. Okay, see, she thinks I'm going to ask for the one. Okay. Paw. No. That's a good girl. That's a very good girl.